Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another makeup tutorial featuring a full face of Rimmel London Cosmetics. They're a great drugstore brand. They're one of my favorites when I first started getting into makeup in high school. But yeah, with that, let's go ahead and get started. So with my bare face, I'm going to start with primer, and I'm using their Insta Flawless Dewy primer, and it's really awesome because it gives you this glossy finish. It melts into your skin really nicely, and I think it's really great for a drugstore primer, especially since like all the dewy glowy looks have been in, so this is really on trend. Next, I'm going to conceal using this Conceal and Correct palette. So I'm using the red one, or like the peach one, to conceal under my eyes, and that's to combat dullness. I'm using the green one to combat redness, and yeah, those are the ones I'm going to use. Next, moving on to foundation, I'm using the Stay Matte foundation, and it really is a mattifying foundation. It's kind of creamy, a little airy, which is nice, so it applies really smoothly, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face and buffing it in with a brush. To set my face, I'm using the Rimmel Match Perfection setting powder. It's just a translucent powder, and I'm just using a little powder puff thing that it came with, and I'm just putting that under my eyes and in my T-zone. Next, I'm using this Rimmel brow powder like tube, and I love this product. This is one of my new favorite Rimmel products, and it's basically a brow powder in like this little tube, and you just shake it up and it comes with an applicator. So usually I have like brow powder and a brush, but this is perfect for traveling. It's just all-in-one brow product, which is awesome. Then I'm going to use this little brow stick highlighter to highlight my brow bone. Pretty simple. And for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Magnifi-eyes Nude eyeshadow palette. So I'm taking this matte neutral cool tone brown color, and I'm putting that on my crease as just kind of like a base, but it also just darkens my crease up a little bit. And then I'm going in with this shimmery brown, and I'm putting that all over my lid just to really brighten things up. Then I'm taking the Champagne Shimmery Highlight color, and I'm putting that in my inner corners to even further brighten up my eyes. And then I'm taking this dark matte charcoal color, and I'm just putting that in my crease just to define everything, just on the outer V of my crease to, again, just define my eyes. And then I'm taking this nude eyeliner pencil. Now, I used to use these eyeliner pencils from Rimmel all the time. I had the white one, the nude one, this blue one. It was awesome, but I'm using that to basically open my eyes up. It makes your eyes look bigger if you put that on your waterline. And then I'm going to be tight lining my eyes with some black pencil eyeliner. Then I'm using the Scandal Eyes liquid eyeliner. Now, this is a really good eyeliner. I used to use it in high school, but the only reason I stopped was I switched to waterproof eyeliners, but it's still a really good option, especially if you don't like waterproof eyeliners. It's a great drugstore liquid eyeliner. I'm just using my usual cat eye wing, and then I'm going in with mascara, and this is the like shake mascara. You basically shake it, and it's supposed to avoid clumps and things like that, and it's a pretty good mascara. Not my favorite, but it definitely gets the job done. So now going back to the face, I'm using the natural bronzer to contour my face, my cheekbones, my temples, hairline, jawline, all that jazz. Now in high school, I loved the Rimmel bronzers and their Stay Matte powders. Those were my holy grail. So this is like a throwback product for me. Now I'm using the Good to Glow liquid glow highlighters. These are new, and I'm first starting out with this peach color, and I'm using it as a blush, and it's super glowy, gives you a really healthy glow. And then I'm using the Cool Tone Pink as a highlighter, and I'm putting that on the high points of my cheek and blending that in. It's definitely very pigmented, so you gotta do some blending, but they're really nice drugstore highlighters. Moving on to the last part of the face, which is the lips. I'm using this clear lip liner to line my lips. It's kind of like a lip balm and lip liner in one, which is really nice, and it keeps the color from bleeding outside your lips. And for the lip color, I'm using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick in Fire Starter. Now, I really do like this formula. Some of the colors are streaky, but this color is not at all. It's super, super gorgeous. It's pigmented, it wears really nicely, it's long wearing, but it's also really comfortable at the same time. It's not like crazy drying. But that's it for this tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this full face of Rimmel London drugstore makeup. This really throws me back to high school when I only used drugstore products, really. But this is a really, really nice natural look. You can, of course, exchange the red lip out for even a more natural look. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoy. Definitely subscribe for more videos, and I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye!